Hello students, let's begin today's session with Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. Besides being great cardiovascular workout, Surya Namaskar is also known to have an immensely positive impact on your body and mind. It is advisable to stick to one particular version and practice it regularly for the best results. Besides good health, Surya Namaskar is also provides an opportunity to express gratitude to the sun for sustaining life on this planet. Now, as you inhale, make a gentle effort to push the chest forward. As you exhale, make a gentle effort to push the navel down. Tuck the toes under. Ensure you are stretching just as much as you can and not forcing your body. Next asana is Adho Mukha Asana, Swasana. Downward facing dog pose. Inhale, breathing out. Lift the hips and the tailbone up to bring the body into an inverted V pose. If possible, try and keep the heels on the ground and make a gentle effort to lift the tailbone up, going deeper into the stretch. Next asana is Ashwasandhalasana, that is equestrian pose. Breathing in. From here, the repetition of steps occur in reverse position. So take care of it. The 7 steps you followed in forward position, now repeat these steps in reverse pose, in backward position. Breathing in, bring the right foot forward in between the 2 hands. The left knee goes down on the floor. Press the hips down and look up. Next is Hastapadanasana, that is standing forward bend. In it, breathing out, bring the left foot forward. Keep the palms on the floor. You may bend the knees if necessary. Gently straighten the knees, and if you can, try and touch your nose to the knees. Keep breathing. Step 11 is raised arms pose. Breathing in, roll the spine up, raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit, pushing the hips slightly outward. Ensure that your biceps are beside your ears. Last step, that is step 12. In it, Tadasana, that is mountain pose. As you exhale, first straighten the body, then brings the arm down. Relax in this position and observe the sensations in your body. This completes one step of Surya Namaskar. These are the 12 steps of Surya Namaskar. Now repeat these steps 3 times in the morning. Daily. You should do Surya Namaskar daily.
Position A, mountain pose, exhale. Lift your hips and tailbone up. Look at navel like this mountain pose. Position 9, Ashwasanchalan Asana. Inhale, bring your left leg in between both hands. Look up like this. Position 10, exhale, bend down, touch your palm on the ground. Position 11. Inhale. Stretch your arms in front. Bend backward. Look up. Look this. Position 12. Stand straight, facing the sun in Namaste position. Position 8. Mountain pose. Exhale. Lift your hips up. Look at the navel. Mountain pose. Heels down. Knee back. Like this, 8 pose. Position 9. Inhale. Raise your left leg in between both hands. Slowly look up. Like this. Position 10. Exhale. Raise your right leg. Bend down. Try to touch the ground with your palms and head with knee. Position 11. Inhale. Stretch your hands in front. Bend backward. Look the sky. 12. Stand straight, facing the sun in Namaste position. Like this.
Position 8. The neck and head should be in between the hands. Lift the hips and the waist and bend the head down. Look at the navel. Like this. Very good. Next position, position 7.
Position 9.
In this case, keep the left leg. Bring your left leg forward. Keep in between the hands. Now bend forwards. Raise the left foot. Look at the sky. Now bring your right leg forward. Like position 3. Bend downwards. Try to touch the ground with your palms and head with your knees. Good. Next position. Position 11. Now position 11. Stretch your hands backwards. Bend from your waist like position 2. Next position, position 12. Move your hands in front of your chest like position 1. This is the first position of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar starts and ends with the same position.